Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll explain what the Prime Video app is and show you how to use it. Let's get started. Prime Video is an Amazon streaming service that lets you watch thousands of movies, TV shows and original content. It comes free with an Amazon Prime membership or can be subscribed to separately. You can stream instantly on your phone, tablet, smart TV or computer. The app also lets you download video for offline viewing and supports features like subtitles and multiple profiles. Now to use it, first you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, then search Prime Video on the search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Then to browse or search for content, use the search bar at the top of the page to find movies or shows. Browse categories like new releases, TV shows, movies or kids. Now to watch or download, tap a video to start streaming instantly. For offline viewing, tap the download icon to save it to your device. Then the top profiles to personalize recommendations and keep kids content separate. Also you can use subtitles or change video quality in the player settings. And that is how you can use the Prime Video app to enjoy your favorite movies and shows anywhere, anytime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.